How to add service charges on Square. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add service charges on Square. So first of all, you have to sign into your Square dashboard, and after that you have to go to settings, account settings, and then payment, and then service charges. And then you have to click create service charges and give the service charge a name and choose whether it's a percentage based or fixed price charge, and enter the amount or percentage for the charge. And after that you have to select the location and the where the charge will apply, and add its applicable taxes. You can click on save, and you can apply the service charge during a transaction also. For that, uh, for Square Virtual Terminal, you have to go to Payments, Virtual Terminal, and choose Take a Payment. Select Items or manually enter the amount and click Add Service Charges. Choose the service charge on your created and click Add. Complete the payment process. And for the Square POS app, full service, quick service or bar mode, you have to open the order in the app, tap sessions, and you can see a service charges dedicated option. You have to click there and select the service charge to apply. And for Square for Restaurant POS app, you have to open the order in the app, tap action and service charges, select the service charge to apply. So that's it for this video. That's how you add service charges on Square. See you on the next video, guys.